Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. I'm gonna have two EXO trains here on the Viaduct near Notre Dame Street and Robert Bourassa Street in Montreal. And you can see the new infrastructure for the RAM as well. There's a catenary there for it. So that one's stopping, looks like. And I also got this one here. It's about 3-4 cars. Ah, maybe moving now. Not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like 5 cars. And that one is also, I think, 5 cars. This is a St. Lambert train, I think. And the other one here might be a later train that's going to go to the South Shore as well. And there's where the track ends. It goes into that hotel. That's the Bonaventure Hotel, Place Bonaventure, and it goes underneath that and into Central Station. The REM project is sharing this viaduct with that, and that's under construction. And it looks like that other train left already. Doesn't look like this one's going to leave anytime soon. Here with Griffentown in the background. It might. Let's turn the I heard them charging the air. Here at Notre Dame Street. Oh, there's another train. Oh, look at that. Another AMT train, and this one is going to be the Mascouche bound train with the F59PH leading. And that's going to go behind this train. And it will come out from behind the ALP 45DP over here on the other side of Notre Dame Street. There it is. There's Griffentown in the background. All those condominiums. No, that's not moving yet. Yeah, it is moving. Finally got this train backing up. And there it is, going into the complex there and into Central Station. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains of Montreal. Have a good day.